Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Today, our spiritual pointer is how practical spirituality can be applied in problems that arise between the spouses. That means between the husband and the wife. As days go ahead, lots of problems are experienced by the couples. Many of the couples don't know how to resolve the problems. Now, what is life? Life is action in relationship. Also, what is the core of a human being? The core of the human being is neither a man nor a woman. It is beyond both. When we understand this, we can very easily understand that we belong to the same energy. As our right hand does not fight with the left hand, we are not to fight with each other, since we belong to the same energy. Outwardly and superficially, they belong to the different categories of energy, but they share the same platform. As life is interdependent, we are to live together. In many cases, if the problems are very serious, those problems will lead to even divorce. Why divorce is considered to be very bad? Because life functions in unity. The whole nature is in order. In the whole of existence, only man is in disorder. Also, man is against nature. What is nature? Nature always unites. But human beings have the tendency to differ and quarrel. So many problems are coming in between them. They are very much confused how to solve all those problems. But if they can have a better understanding about life, those problems can be solved very easily. What are the spiritual insights in this? All the human beings belong to the same nature. So, we have a common bond. Only thought has produced you and me. In reality, there is no you and me. The reality is one. So, life can be approached in that sense. Then, life will bring lots of benediction. In life only, divinity can be found out. The whole existence is pointing towards that oneness. Oneness means it is a form of the divinity. So once we are able to experience the divinity, all the quarrels will disappear. Also, we are to approach this problem psychologically. Problems arise from the self. We must have a better understanding about the self. Self itself is self-contradictory. So it is arduous to bring unity in that. How we can bring unity in our relationship? Even though superficially we look individuals, but in reality there is no such thing. The whole existence is one. We all belong to that existence only. Since the source of creation is one, we can walk together, work together. We can very easily do this. Also, we must have self-knowledge. Self-knowledge means to study our own mind. Sometimes reading the books of the religions will not help us. But if we read our own mind, that is the greatest book one can read. The mind itself is the greatest book. So if you read the greatest book, much treasures will open. So the husband and wife can participate and meditatively solve the problem. Then it will bring goodness in their life, and they can spread the goodness to others also. Such a life is really godly. Then only they can teach others also what life means. Once again, we will come up with another one video in the near future.